I like to grow vegetables that I really enjoy and that are not available in the market so easily. So where I stay, Tinda is not available in the market, so that's why I grow it in my garden so that I can enjoy it fresh, at least in the summers. Hi, this is Ruchi, and today let's talk about Tinda. It is also known as squash gourd in English. It's the beginning of summers, and I planted Tinda gourd or squash melon gourd or Indian baby pumpkin or just Tinda seeds in this container, and I kept it inside in a warm place, covered it with a plastic bag so that the humidity is maintained. And it's been about 3 weeks, and all the 6 seeds have grown. So I'm so happy. And one thing you have to remember that these seeds are big, so it's a good idea to soak them overnight before you plant them, so it helps in the germination process. And as you can see that the soil is moist because these plants are really tender, so I keep the soil moist, and I give it about 2-3 hours of morning sun now because the plants are still tender, and it's summer, so the afternoon sun is really harsh. So once they grow a little bit more, then I'll move them in full sun. Even in the afternoon sun probably they'll be able to bear. And once they have 2 true leaves, then I will transplant them in my raised bed. So it's been about 4 weeks that we planted these seeds, and they're about ready. I mean, some of them have 2 true leaves. For example, this one has 2 true leaves. This one also has 2 true leaves. So some of these can be transplanted, and it's already kind of late. We are in the middle of summer, so I'm worried that it will be too late for the season. So I want to transplant at least a few of these in this planter. So here I have a raised bed, and it has good organic soil, and the watering system is also here. So I'm going to just take a few of these, and these grow as vines. So I'm going to put them on the side and then put the trellis on top. So maybe put one towards this side so that it can go to the back where the fence is, and 2 on the sides. Look at the root system, really good. So without disturbing it too much, just take out the whole pod and put it. So that's why I like these seedling planters, because if I just wanted to plant one, I am not disturbing others. So that's a good thing. Again, look at the roots, and you can see 2 true leaves. So, and I put this seedling planter here a couple of days ago, just to see if it is surviving the heat here or not. And it survived just fine, so we can plant these. So I'll wait for the rest and slowly plant them. And I'm going to plant a few in the other planter just to make sure that 2 different places, sun is different in both the places. So if one is not optimal, maybe the other one is optimal, just to reduce the chances of getting nothing. I plant everything here and nothing grows, and so I don't want that. So I'm going to water these, and tomorrow in the morning I'm going to cover this area a little bit so that they don't get harsh sun. I'll open it up in the evening and then just leave it. So it's been a week that we transplanted our plants here, and you can see that they're growing well. You can see the growth here. One of them here in the corner kind of is shriveling. I don't know what happened. There's enough water here, but in any case, sometimes that happens. They are taking off, and that's really good to see. So it's been about 3 weeks that we transplanted our seedlings here, and you can see they are growing really big and they look so healthy. And even this one, which was looking a little wilted, it is recuperating. It's not doing as well as this one, but it is still alive and healthy. So I'm really encouraged, and they are growing well. So they are liking where they got transplanted. So I'm going to post this video for now right here, and then I'll prepare another video where I will show the progress and harvest. And there's another place where I planted this. Let me show you that too. So this is another place, and again this plant is doing well. I think this is something else. It looks like melon to me, but it got mixed up in the seeds. And then we have another one here. So these are also doing well. And all around, I have amaranth planted. And if you look closely, now the tendrils have started to form. Here you can see the tendril. Even in this one, you can see the tendril. So, because this is a vine, so it will need a trellis. So I'm going to put a trellis now. So that's where they like the best, because then they can hold on to something and they climb and they grow. So I hope you found this video inspirational. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.